Hi, I'm Zaf, and in this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to trigger an automation in System.io when a tag is added to a contact. When this tag gets added, everything happens automatically. Emails go out, follow-ups start, and you don't touch anything. This is one of the most useful automations in System.io, but it's also where most people mess it up. So in this video, I'll show you the clean, correct way to trigger automation when a tag is added step by step. And if you stick around till the end, I've got a free resource that will help you build better performing pages inside System.io. Now let's get started. The mistake I see most often is people adding tags correctly but their automation never fires. That usually comes down to choosing the wrong trigger or building the rule in the wrong place. So let's build this properly from scratch. So from the System.io dashboard, we go to automations and then to rules and click on rules. Now if you haven't got a rule already, you will have this empty, so what I need to do is click on the blue create option there, create our new rule. Now for the trigger, I click on the plus option there, or change the blue icon there, so I'm click on that, and then for the trigger there we can just select tag added, and from there we'll just choose a tag to use. It's important before this bit that you actually create your tag beforehand, so then you have the option from here drop down menu to select it. So from the drop down menu, I'm going to click on that and then select the bottom tag here. It's a temp one, which is a test tag I've set up for this video. And click on that. Now this bit is important as the automation will only run when the exact tag is added to the contact. So the tag might be added by a funnel, a form or a product purchase. Next we need to go to, on the right hand side here, to action and then click on add action there. So the plus symbol here. Click on that. In this example, I'll choose subscribe to campaign and then select my email campaign. So again here, you need to make sure you've got an email campaign set up before you can actually select it in this option here from the drop down menu. So from this drop down menu, click on there, drop down here. Once you've got that set up, your campaign, you can select it from this list. So I'm going to select my test campaign here for this video again. Yeah, you could also send a single email or add another tag and grant course access. The trigger stays the same, only the action then changes. So I'm going to click on the blue save rule option here, and you can see it says new rule has been created successfully. Once it's saved, it automatically then sets it to active. If you hover over it there, you see it says active, and you can see the trigger is to add the tag temp1, the action to subscribe to campaign, and this campaign name is test campaign, and that's it. So the automation is now live. So what we need to do now is do a quick test to make sure this works. You manually have to add a tag to a test contact, and if everything's set up correctly, the automation should fire immediately, and this quick test saves a lot of headaches later on. So to do the test, I'll just give you a quick demonstration. We go to our CRM at the top here and then select contacts, and then go down to the contact you want to add the tag to, so click on that. If I scroll down, you can see if you've got more than one tag, you see a list of tags here. See, there's the one. Now I'll select temp1 tag, and then once I save that, this should then automatically trigger the automation that I've set up. I'll click on the blue save option at the top. You see it says the contact has successfully been modified. Now it might take a minute or two to show, so I'll just refresh the screen there and then scroll down. And you can see it says test campaign and the step name, your free resource inside, which is the name, subject name for the email. And here you see it says your free resource inside. So that shows us that actual test campaign is actually worked, and I've triggered it by adding that test tag to test contact here in System.io. Now the powerful thing about tags is that you can reuse them across multiple automations. So one tag can trigger emails, access, follow-ups, or without rebuilding anything. And that's how to trigger automations when a tag is added in System.io. Now, as promised, I've got a free resource for you, my System.io starter kit. Inside you'll get my 10-minute landing page blueprint and a ready to use landing page template that you can copy straight into your System.io account. You'll find the link right below this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.